know I haven't even had much luck flying paper planes.
Oh, lordy, lordy. The pilot and co-pilot have both died of simultaneous heart attacks. Can anyone fly a plane?
I'll give it a go. How hard can it be? Met myself a passenger. Looked a lot like that Leslie Nielsen from the airplane movies. Only he wasn't funny. Passenger said, "Don't call me Shirley. Only a fool would try and land an A380 without any flying experience. It can't be done." And he was right.
Flight A124, come in. This is ground control.
Hello, ground control. Captain Blunder here.
Well, thank God you're a captain.
Yep. Don't worry. I'll soon have this bird on the ground. A little bit of polish, and that'll buff right out.